My people no be small thing. Na God save Queen May like this o. So even Lincoln wife wey dey just marry like this, I'm very sure she marry Lincoln because of Queen May. For her mind now she wan popular. For her mind now she wan flex. For her mind she wan use Queen May so that her name go fly. She no know say she enter one chance. Lincoln wey go marry old mama Yongi, gold digger. See how person wey dem born 1979 wey she suppose to don dey clock 50, that is if na her real age be that. Because if you look am well well, if una wan talk true, no be her real age be that. Since she don decided to come for Queen May, na so Queen May nation come talk say aunty no go there, go ask questions. People wey don come for Queen May where dem end? People wey don come for Queen May, how e carry end for dem? Queen May no be person wey you go come do yan 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 yin yin yin. No be Queen May be that. Queen May don pass that level. As Queen May dey fly dey go, na God dey bless Queen May, no be human being. And if you come feel say you now you wan come compete with who God dey bless, I pity for you. I pity for you big time, because you go suffer on a normal level. As Queen May dey so, she no dey look for person trouble, lie. The last thing wey go happen to Queen May na to look for person trouble. Queen May no go look for person trouble. But you see this life, na im Lincoln wife come. Person wey dey just marry 3 days ago. The second day you don set ring light. So all una plan for that family na how to bring Queen May down. Abi una don go check her star, una don go check her destiny, una don discover talk say this one pass una o. Una don discover talk say this one no be am o. Una don discover talk say omo, Queen May na she be the queen. So una don do meeting, una bring her down, and no go fit. If no be something sef, why the Edochie dey marry all these kind women, from Judy Austin to American gold digger? No be small thing o, my brothers, my sisters. I no even fit lis ten to wetin she talk for me, because if I lis ten to her, I go talk wetin I go regret tomorrow. Then she come dey set ring lights. Abeg, na who she dey set ring light for again? Who she dey set ring light for? Our own Queen May. Woman wey go use our money, wey we fit buy on top. Dem no tell her say Queen May carry grace. And guess what? Queen May will not open her mouth to say whim. For Yolo dey your mind, it is say dem like am. They are using their hand to destroy you, destroy your family. Now Lincoln come out, they say, you people don dey throw my brother for. Oh, when your brother dey throw Queen May, una no see am. When I dey tell una say this thing na family plan, maybe the reason why Lincoln be dey support Queen May since na because im still dey benefit. Now when don get an American gold digger, e dey come speak English. My father's name. Keep quiet there. So no be small thing o. Lincoln don join the gold digger level. Lincoln wey una know, wey una dey support. I am very sure na Lincoln wife na im dey like this. Lincoln wife, she go don talk say, me sef, she don go Google for internet. She go don Google Lincoln. See say her people dey talk about am, and they are talking about him in regards to Queen May. Because normal, if you Google Lincoln Edochie, abi na Link Edochie, you no go see him profile. Na Queen May na bring all of them comot. So that one now, American girl, for her mind now, na Queen May she wan use shine. For her mind now, na Queen May she wan use blue. For her mind now, na Queen May she wan use popular. For her mind now, na Queen May she wan use. No, aunty, you cannot use our Queen May. You no fit, not today, not tomorrow. Our Queen May, person wey don big. Person wey God bless, don bless. Person wey God talk say this one, she's blessed. There is nothing, I mean nothing anybody can do about it. And that's on period. So right now, Lincoln wife come, they talk. Queen May people. How are they Queen May people? Did Queen May know these people personally? No. Did Queen May know these people personally? No. Has Queen May ever see anybody blogging about her? No. Basically, the reason how Queen May, these people, because of what the injustice this family were doing to Queen May. It's because of the injustice this family are doing to Queen May. That was why Queen May, people stood up for Queen May. Queen May nation in Nigeria, the ones in diaspora. But right now, the way it's looking, it's beginning to look like jealousy. Yes, it's beginning to look like jealousy. It's beginning to look like this family, then they jealous Queen May. Yes, now wetin e come dey look like? It's not looking ordinary again at all. My brothers and sisters, it's not looking ordinary again. You will sense jealousy. You will sense it. Envy. And Pete, may God forgive us, but Pa Pete suppose stand up and put your family together. We know it's the age of social media, but this one wey Lincoln wife start, she no go big pass like this. The only reason why she get attention na because social media people are talking to her, and she knows say social media people go talk, because she just wanna be, because she feel, oh, some people wey get baby mama, through baby mama dem blow. No be everybody dey blow. People wey young dey blow, no be people wey don become old mama youngie. Face your Nigerian man wey you wan begin feed, wey you wan begin give money, wey you wan begin house. Because the last time I check, I no sure say Lincoln dey collect any better money for artist fee. How many film im don act? They dey always find who to clinch to. E dey find who get American citizen, make you run go there. I no know say na suppose to dey hide una face. One family, two people don divorce. Na. Is it not a bad omen? Is it not something people should look at and say, no, this is not good? How can one family will be having divorce left, right, and center? How can one family will be having this? No, people suppose sit down, think and well. My brothers and sisters, no be small thing o. Now I come dey look am, I come dey think am. I come say, who dey breed, who dey poo, who dey snooze? What thing be this? So everybody now wan dey set ring light. You cannot talk without calling Queen May. When she even enter the family, when she don begin call Queen May name, that is to tell you say she no even love the Lincoln. She no love Lincoln at all. Na Queen May matter na im carry her rush enter this family. She go don sit down, she go don tell herself, she go don reason am. She go don say, I know say once I talk about Queen May like this, Obago, once I talk about Queen May like this, I don blow. So let me go and talk about Queen May. I'm very sure na wetin she don tell herself be that. But she no know say no be like that e dey work. Queen May work for the name wey she get today. Queen May work for the title wey she get today. Nobody fit just come from nowhere, one come zuzu, one come throway am, one come rush am. You understand? My brothers and sisters, no be small matter. No be small matter. Na so I see the matter o. Na say man run come tell una wetin dey sup. Say some people don dey run madness small. But una know how e dey now. Una know the drill. I go bring una more updates.